What's inside a smartphone? Key components explained. Ever wondered what makes a smartphone so powerful? Let's open it up, virtually, and explore the key components inside. First, the system on chip or SoC, the brain of the phone. It combines the CPU, GPU, AI engine, and modem, all in one chip. Next, we have the RAM and storage. RAM handles temporary data, while storage holds your photos, apps, and videos. Then comes the battery, typically lithium-ion, powering every action. Most smartphones carry between 3,000 to 5,000 milliamp-hour capacity. Now the display unit, usually an AMOLED or LCD screen. It includes the touch sensors, digitizer, and screen layers. Don't forget the camera modules, with wide, ultra-wide, macro, and sometimes telephoto lenses, all driven by powerful image sensors. Other essential parts include the motherboard, antenna system, haptic motor, microphone, speaker, and charging port, all working in sync to deliver the smartphone magic.